Whenever I speak in an English, I feel low confidence or no confidence. Does it happen to you too? Yes, indeed. It happens with most of English learners like me. I pondered over this long and hard enough, and excitingly, I got the answer. We don't want to be what we are or what we know. We want to be what others know and what others want from us without knowing what we want from us. Well, I don't want to confuse you here, perplex you here in any way, but my agenda is here to clarify you. Your identity is your identity. Nobody can steal from you. But what you or your brain is trying to do is you want to be like others. Don't forget, if you admire someone, like whosoever, like cricket the most or want to be a cricketer, and he or she wants to be like a Sachin Tendulkar, you got the chance to hit the ball, and now, since you hit that ball, people start calling you by the name Sachin Tendulkar. Will you digest this fact? Will you adjust with this fact in any way? Not at all. Your identity is your identity. You do not want to be known by other names. You want to be by your name. There are lots of people who speak English in whatever the way they are convenient with. So, whatever the way they feel it's suitable for them, they speak it. Actually, we speak in our own native language in whatever the suitable way we can. We don't mind how we sound while speaking our native language. Then why do you want to be pompous into others' eyes while speaking this language? Think long and hard enough before judging your progress, because Rome wasn't built in a day at all. Best of luck.
बॉलीवुड के कुछ ऐसे सितारों के बारे में जो इंग्लिश में इंटरव्यू देना अवॉइड करते हैं और अगर देते भी हैं तो कर देते हैं कई